Hello, I'm Larry and this is Carter's Country. Today I'm joined with Justin Carter and we're going to go over an exciting new offer from Canik, the Canik Mete. It's a gun that's loaded with features, and as if that wasn't enough, they also give you a package here with it with all sorts of other extras. Justin, I'll let you kind of take us through some of that first, and then we'll start talking about the gun itself.
One of the greatest things about Canik is they come with a lot of accessories. It comes with a holster, obviously, standard magazine.
Which their standard is 18 rounds, so that's already pretty beefy.
18, and then the extended one is 20.
Yeah,
so you got a little extra capacity there. Probably way more than you need most of the time. It's got the easy loader for your magazines. Obviously, it comes with your lock, standard with every gun nowadays. Then you've got your tool set and cleaning set. So you've got your brush, swab rod, and then extra back plates, a punch, and then the coolest thing of all is
you couldn't wait to get to that.
Yeah, this is the whole point of buying this gun, is this little guy right here. It's a screw set that has all of its parts and pieces inside the magazine well. So it comes with all your parts right there, and just something neat and different. Obviously, a little bit fun for those creative types out there. So,
admit it, that's your favorite part of all the accessories you went over. That's your favorite.
I think I'm stealing this today. So the first one out of the door, maybe less that little guy. Definitely a plug and play for those experienced guys or their first time guys. You end up walking out of the store with a big value for your dollar.
Absolutely.
So that's really cool to see. And then obviously all the new technology that's coming with a gun. So do you want to hold it?
Yeah, let me take through some of the extras that the gun comes with. We're going to go through some of the extras that, or some of the features that the Canik Mete comes with. First of all, you've got the co-witness optic ready slide cut. You'll see it right here. Co-witness means that even after you put an optic on here, you can still use your iron sights with it. This optic ready slide will accept the Trijicon RMR or the Shield RMS RMSC. So you've got a couple different optic solutions. Yeah, it really is. And you know, the little screw set that you pointed to in your little pistol.
Yeah.
It's got the tips you need to change this out. So changing out, mounting your optic should be a pretty simple plug and play type situation. Ergonomically designed Beavertail here. Basically what that's going to do for you, full size gun like this is made to do a lot of shooting at the range with. The Beavertail, the way it's designed here, fits really ergonomically, and you can shoot a few hundred rounds through this gun and you're not putting a lot of stress on the webbing of your hand. It makes it a lot easier to shoot on those days where you just want to keep going and you just want to keep putting rounds down range. You've got an undercut here on the trigger guard. It looks subtle, but it feels really comfortable. You'd be surprised the difference it makes when you put your hand under there to get ready to shoot. Your middle finger fits real nice there. So when you wrap around, you're not overlapping or feeling clumsy with that hand there. It's another real subtle but real important feature it offers. On your mag well, I'm going to go ahead and kick the magazine out here for a second. You can see there's already a little subtle flare right there, and I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but a lot of times all of the flare is on the magazine itself. When you're holding the gun, the magazine will be flared to give you additional grip and a kind of additional place for your pinky. Here you've already got it molded into the gun. It adds a lot to the comfort of the gun, and so when you put the magazine in, you're not feeling the movement of the magazine and all that. Everything you've got is all part of the molded piece of the handle. And again, for those days where you just want to spend a lot of time at the range, it really adds to the comfort of it. The little things add up.
Yeah.
And another, although I demonstrated it wrong a second ago, another thing that the flared mag weld does for you is when you're going to put another magazine in there quick, it kind of helps guide it in a little bit quicker. Once you get it started, it just kind of feeds itself on in there.
Perfect.
And you know, we talked about the value of everything you get with it. This holster, it's a nice Kydex holster. It's molded, if you can see that, it's molded to fit nice on the hip. Another thing, and I don't know if you'll be able to hear it click in, but it kind of snaps into place a little bit for you. A little bit of retention, not, you know, you don't have a full strap over it like a full retention holster, but it does have a snap to it. So if you're running around, if you're on a four-wheeler, anything like that, it's going to hold the gun into place real nice for you. If you've never priced a good quality holster, you got a lot of value here with this, and the fact that it custom fits this gun makes it even more valuable. So it's really just overall a great package. A gun loaded with extras, you know, other literal extras added with it. I mean, it's just a great combination. It's a great gun when you want to go to the range, have a lot of fun. It's also fine for you know, home protection. Some people may think it's a little big to conceal, but you know, if you want to, you could.
Still doable.
Right, it's still doable. So all in all, a great value from Canik on this. All right, so we've talked about it. We've shown everything that comes with it. I think the next thing is we go put a few rounds down range and see how this thing acts.
Sounds like a plan.
All right, great.
Beautiful.
I like that trigger a lot.
That was pretty cool, sir. I mean, surprise, surprise, it shoots really well and it's affordable. We all know that it comes with all sorts of fun gadgets as well. Right. So that was surprising and nice to shoot.
I really enjoyed shooting it. The ergonomics fit really well in my hand. As we talked about before, that Beavertail lets you hold your hand up high on it. Really helps control the muzzle flip. It returned to point of sight really well for me. It shot really well, and obviously it's a gun that's designed to shoot a lot. You know, it absolutely is built for comfort. I think, you know, with the 5-inch barrel, 5.2-inch barrel on it, accuracy is not a problem. Sights go real easy to the eyes. They line up really well. It was just really enjoyable. There wasn't anything about it I didn't like. It's a great gun, great quality.
Absolutely. Also, I would like to say that there's only room for one person with a beard on this show now. Yeah. I'm sorry you lost yours, but we're gonna have to keep it that way.
Well, it's fine. You know, once you get to 60, you just don't care as much about pretty much anything, and you know, trimming a beard and all that, it's a lot easier just to do this. So you're the beard guy now on our shows, because your dad doesn't have a beard either.
Nobody does.
So you're the beard guy for our videos now. Congratulations, man. I'm proud of you. That's a huge step in your life, I'm sure.
One step at a time.
That's right. Yeah, this gun's such a great value. Even a cheapskate like Justin's gonna want to pick one up. So this guy would use a coupon at a dollar store. That's how cheap he is. So that just tells you what a great value the gun is. Remember, if you've ever shot, shopped, or hunted with us, you're already a part of the Carter's Country family. Till next time, adios. Oh, did you see that pistol work there? Like synchronized finger pistols.
Put that on your resume.
Yeah.